Hi friends, we're back to time. We have another printable sheet, the what time is it sheet. Find the one that starts with 9:15. 9:15, if you're choosing just to do it on paper, I would pause Mrs. Masco and go ahead and try the whole thing. Then at the end, if you want, I can show you the answers. If you aren't able to print something, this is what I'm gonna go through and do on my clock over here, and then I will show writing them over here as well, so you can check. So either one, you can print them and check the answers at the end, or you can just follow through with your clock and don't use paper at all. That's up to you. So here we go. 9:15. 9:15. So we know it's just past the 9. Okay. Make sure we have our big minute hand up at the 12. Okay, quarter past. Ready? Quarter after, or quarter past. Okay. So where is our little hour hand? It's between the 9 and the 10, so it's still 9. Okay. And then how do I count? I count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So my answer is 9:15. 9:15. Okay, let's try the next one. 4:30. Halfway past the 4. So get those minute and hour hands at the top. We're halfway past the 4. Remember, we cut our clock in half. So let's move that little hour hand first. It's halfway past the 4. So get it halfway past that 4. And let's go ahead, quarter after, half past. Oh, and my little hour hand keeps moving. There we go. So halfway past the 4. So we're between the 4 and the 5. So it's not 5 o'clock yet. It's still 4. Okay. And let's see, we know when it's down at the 6, it means what? It means 30. So our answer is 4:30. 4:30. Let's go ahead and try another one. 11:45. It's quarter of the way till we get to 11. So I know some of those words we do quarter till, but quarter to, quarter till, same thing. So 11:45. It's not quite there yet. It's almost to 11 o'clock. So go ahead and move that little hour hand first. It's almost to 11, but it's not quite there yet. So get it pretty close. Remember, if you draw that imaginary line, it's not quite there yet. Okay, let's try our song. Quarter after, half past, quarter till. There we go. So it's not quite to the 11 yet. So it's still not 11. It's still 10. It's still 10. And then what does that 9 mean? And if you can't remember that, just go back, count by fives quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that means it's 10:45. Good job. And if we're going too fast, remember, keep hitting pause so you can try it first on your own. Quarter after 2. It's quarter of the way after 2 o'clock. So we know that our little hour hand is going to go after the 2. So that one's easy. Go after the 2, just after the 2, and then go ahead, start at the top with our big minute hand. Let's try quarter after. Oh, there we go. That was quick. There we go. So let's do little hand first. It's just after the 2. Remember, you're little before you're big. And then what do we do? Count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So it's 2:15. Let's show you there on the clock. Good job. Halfway done. 6:30. It's halfway past 6 o'clock. So it's halfway past 6 o'clock. So when we start up here on our clock, go ahead and move that halfway past the 6. We know it's just past the 6. Halfway past, so it's between the 6 and the 7. Go ahead and try your song if you need to. Quarter after, half past. There we go. Let's take a look. So do I do my little hour hand or big minute hand first? Oh, I heard you say little hour hand. So it's between the 6 and the 7, so it's still 6. Still 6. And then let's see, when it's down at the 6, what does this mean? Yep, it means 30. So it's 6:30. 6:30. Let me show you on here. There we go. 3 more. Quarter after 3. It's quarter of the way after 3 o'clock. Quarter of the way after 3 o'clock. Okay, so we know it's after 3, so start with it. Remember, little, you're little before you're big. Little hour hand, get it just after the 3. And let's go to our minute hand. Ready? Quarter after. There we go, we're already there. So what time does that mean? Think about that. What time does that mean? Okay, little hour hand first. It's just after the 3, so it's 3 what? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. It means 3:15. 3:15. 2 more. Quarter past 5. It's quarter of the way past 5 o'clock. Go ahead and pause me and try it. If not, here we go. Quarter of the way past 5 o'clock. So which one should I move? My big minute hand, my little hour hand. Oh, I hope you said little hour hand. Move it past the 5. Just past the 5. There we go. It's just past the 5. Here we go. Quarter after or quarter past. Either way works. Okay, let's see what time it is. So is it 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock? What do you think? I'm hoping you're saying 5 o'clock to Mrs. Masco. It's not at the 6 yet. Okay. And then what do I do to tell this means? I need to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. 5:15. Last one, quarter to 7. Quarter to 7. It's not at the 7 yet. So it's quarter of the way until we get to 7. This is a big one. Here we go. Ready? You can pause me, or here we go. Let's see. Not at the 7 yet. I'm going to move my little hour hand almost to the 7, but it's not there yet. Okay, ready? Quarter after, half past, quarter till or quarter to. Okay, how'd you do? Okay, let's figure out what time it is. Let's look at our little hour hand. It's between the 6 and the 7. So what does that mean? 6 or 7? What do you think? Yep, you better still say it's 6. Can't write 7 yet. It's not there. It's 6. And what about, oh no, what's that 9 mean? What's that 9 mean? I don't remember. What should I do? I'm going to count by what? Count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it's 6:45. So here you go. If you did that sheet and just did that and didn't follow anything along, that's fine. Here are the answers. If not, you practiced just well enough with Judy Clock. And in review, remember when we're doing quarter after, half past, look at, we can divide that clock in half. That would get our half past. And if I want to divide it into 4 equal parts or quarters, quarter after, half past, quarter till, o'clock. There's our quarters. Good job.